According to the world's healthiest foods, onions are one of the top 10 foods for quercetin content, although it varies depending on the type of onion and growing conditions. According to information from Dr. Mercola of Wageningen Agricultural University in the Netherlands, the body absorbs twice the quercetin from onions than other foods like green tea and apples. Different varieties of onions contain different levels of nutrients and polyphenol content. Shallots have the highest level of polyphenols, while yellow onions have the highest flavonoid content. In general, like most vegetables, a brighter and deeper coloration is a sign of more nutrients overall, so eating red onions will give you the most nutrients for investment. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. Let's take a look at what onions are good for people's health. Anti-cancer medicine. The National Onion Association considers onions to be a major anti-cancer food. Onions, like garlic and other allium vegetables, are fighters of many types of cancer, including breast, ovarian, uterine, larynx, esophageal, stomach, colon, kidney, and prostate. This is due in part to quercetin, as well as sulfur compounds such as D-allyl disulfide (DDS), S-allylcysteine (SAC), and S-methylcysteine (SMC). Although the exact physiology is not known, it is believed that these compounds inhibit the growth of tumors and genetic mutations, while fighting free radicals. While a moderate consumption 1 to 2 times a week of onions helps to fight against these cancers, the best practice is about 80 gr of onion per day. It's not difficult to add green onions, shallots, in your eggs in the morning, a little sliced red onion in your salad at noon. Cooking does not take away the power of the onion's nutrients, so simmering onions in your soup and ready meals still give you a lot of health benefits. Onions, like garlic, help prevent heart attacks, strokes, and blood clots. The sulfur compounds in onions are very effective in preventing the clumping of blood platelets, which give rise to the formation of clots, which means they are very effective in preventing heart disease, stroke, and blood clots in other parts of the body, peripheral vascular disease. Allium and allyl disulfide also help create more flexible blood vessels that lower blood pressure. Onions have also been shown to help lower triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, especially when eaten as part of a diet high in fruits and vegetables. Anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin maintains a high anti-inflammatory status, as well as antihistamine properties. This means that it contributes to most inflammatory conditions, including asthma, allergies, arthritis, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, cancer, and more. One of the sulfur compounds, onion A, inhibits the formation of macrophages that trigger immune responses and inflammatory responses, thereby helping those with autoimmune conditions. Bones, connective tissue, bowel health, and benefits for diabetes. Several studies in humans have shown that frequent daily onion consumption can help increase bone density in postmenopausal women, and help prevent fractures related to osteoporosis. Also, the high sulfur content of onions helps to strengthen and support strong connective tissue in the body, including tendons, ligaments, cartilage, collagen, and even hair. Onions provide healthy antibacterial properties, helping to prevent cavities, gum disease, H. ulcers, pylori, and foodborne illness. Studies have shown that onions can be effective against strains of Streptococci and Porphyromonas gingivalis among other bacteria, especially with fresh raw onions. So adding fresh onions to your salads, salsas, and picnics ensures you don't get sick. Onions contain a prebiotic fiber, inulin, which helps nourish and encourage the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut, thus creating a stronger immune system. It also helps the absorption, assimilation of healthy food, and your mood and brain function. Inulin also helps prevent obesity and reduce your risk of diabetes. In people with type 2 diabetes, inulin helps improve blood sugar responses and maintain a more stable glucose level. Another compound in onions, allium CEPA, has been shown to have a significant effect on lowering blood sugar in another study in rats, although more research is needed. Sleep and mood. Onions have a positive effect on sleep and mood, due to their folate content. It is thought that onions can help with depression, by decreasing the amount of homocysteine, an inflammatory agent in the body. In addition to being dangerous to the heart and blood vessels, excess homocysteine can also interfere with brain hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are all wellness hormones. Hormones also have a huge effect on sleep and appetite. Cold and flu. Americans have recognized the power of onions to treat colds and flu and have used it for years and years. Even the World Health Organization recognizes the power of onions for coughs, congestion, bronchitis and respiratory infections. Onions have also been used for hundreds of years as a remedy for colic and vomiting. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.